Welcome back, dear students. How are you all doing? Today, let us move on to a new unit in our mathematics, that is money. Yes, money. So, what are these? This is money. How money looks, right? Because every day you are bringing some money to buy few things from our canteen. You have seen that your parents are using money to buy various things in the shops and for giving different people. They are getting money from the bank or the ATM. We all know this. So this is the different types of currency notes which we are using in Saudi Arabia. Here in Saudi Arabia, we are using this money. This is called Saudi Riyals. Very good. See, what are the different values of money here? This is 500 Riyals, 500s. They have written Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority, 500 Riyals. 500, 500. See the other side? There are two sides for every money. This is called a currency note. This is called a currency note because it is made up of paper. See here, this is 100 Riyals, 100 Riyals. They have written 100 Riyals. This is 50 Riyals, 50. This is 10 Riyals, 5 Riyals and 1 Riyal. So, you all have seen this money. You usually bring 5 Riyal, 1 Riyal, 10 Riyal to school to buy things from our canteen. Similarly, your parents are having different values of money. All the money notes are made from the same paper only, but they have different colors and sizes. See, this is blue, this is red, this is green, this is brown. Yes, different colors and different sizes. This looks big, but 1 Riyal looks so small. 500 Riyal looks big. But the value of each currency note is different. See, 500 is very big. You can buy more things, costly things with 500 Riyal. And small things like candy, chips and all you can buy with 1 Riyal. So, the value of the money is different for each. 500 means it is more, 100 is less and so on. So with all this money, we buy so many things and we use money for many day-to-day activities. So money is very important. This is the money which we are using in Saudi Arabia. Now see this. What are these? These are coins. Here see there is a 2 Riyals coin, 1 Riyal coin, 50 halala. Halala is less than Riyal. And then 25 halalas. We have 1 Riyal coin and also 1 Riyal currency note, paper note. That also we have, right? So, some money is made out of paper and some are made as coins. What are they? Coins. And they are made with metals. They are round coins. And in that also they would have written the value like 2, 1, 50 halala, 25 halala like this. This also we can use for buying different things. So, money is usually in currency notes and in coins. The riyals and halalas are the money of Saudi Arabia. So, what do we use money for? Why do we need money? We need money to buy various things which are very important for us. Like we need money to buy food, buy books, buy toys, buy clothes. We need it to travel to different places. We need it to give it to different people. And so money is very essential for all of us. We need money in everyday life. All of us need money, especially the elders. They need money for doing different things and buying different things. So today we will learn what are the different types of money, how to use them and how to count them, etc. Okay? So every country has its own currency. Different countries have different currencies. Like I showed you sometime before that Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has Saudi Arabian Riyals or the Saudi Riyals, SAR. I showed you the different types of money used here, right? 500 Riyals, 100 Riyals, 50, 10, 5, 1 Riyal, etc. I also showed you the coins which we use here. Yes. Similarly, every country has its own currency. For example, the United States of America has the US dollars. Dollar. Now, ask your parents, what is the currency of your country, of your home country? We all come from different nationality, right? Some of us are from Egypt, Pakistan, Sudan, Philippines, etc. So ask your parents, what is the currency of your country? Okay? But today, in this unit, we will be learning about US dollars. Why? Because it can be used in any part of the world. It is a kind of common currency. Although it belongs to USA, we can use it in different parts of the world. So we are going to learn more about US dollars. This is the symbol for the US dollar. US dollar, when we write, we use this symbol. See? You have to write a S and then put a line on top of it. This is the symbol for the US dollar. This is US dollar. $1 currency note, which is in paper. Like I showed you, Saudi Riyals, we saw 1 Riyal, 500 Riyal, 100 Riyals, etc. Similarly, $1 of USA. It also has two sides. This is one side and this is another side. Okay? And it is written the United States of America and $1. $1. This is called the $1 currency note or the $1 bill. Now let's see about cents. What is a cent? 1 cent is a coin. Coins are made out of metals. They are round shaped metals. They are coins. Like we have halalas here, there are cents in US. So we will be learning about dollars and cents. See, the symbol of cent is a C. Write a C and then put one line above it. Write a C and put one line above it. That is cent symbol. Now let's see how a cent, 1 cent coin looks like. There are two sides. One side is the head where there is a picture and the other side it is written 1 cent. On the other side it is written 1 cent. Okay? This is 1 cent coin and the symbol of cent is C and write a line above it. Now the next one is nickel. 1 nickel. Nickel is also a coin. Nickel is also a coin, but it has more value than cent. More value means it is more money. With 1 cent you can buy little. With nickel you can buy more. So what is a nickel? How much is a nickel? 1 nickel is equal to 5 cents. 1 nickel is equal to 5 cents. See how a nickel looks like? On one side we have a face and on the other side it is written United States of America 5 cents. It is clearly written 5 cents. So 5 cents means how much? 1 nickel. So 1 nickel is equal to 5 cents. So 1 cent, 5 cents, 5 cents is equal to 1 nickel. They are all coins. Now see this. This is 1 dime. 1 dime. What is dime? It is 10 cents. See this picture? They have written beautifully. There is head on one side and on the other side It is written United States of America and 1 dime. 1 dime. Can you see this? They have written. So how much is 1 dime? 1 dime is equal to 10 cents. 1 dime is equal to 10 cents. So now we have learned about 1 US dollar, that is a paper note. Then 1 cent, which is a coin. Then 5 cents. 5 cents is equal to 1 nickel. And then about 1 dime. 1 dime is equal to 10 cents. So throughout this unit, we will be learning how to count cents, how to count nickels, how to count dimes, how to add them, how to add money, how to subtract money, and all this. Okay? This is interesting, right? We are learning something new. Thank you. Keep seeing the pictures in your work notebook. We have the pictures of all these money. You just keep seeing them, and I will also teach you how to count the money and write the value. Keep learning. Stay safe. Bye-bye. I will see you soon.